Hello, this is Chris Belote with Innovative Marketing. Today I have with me Issa with IZ Flooring. How are you doing today, Issa?
Good morning, Chris. I'm doing great. What about you?
Doing great. Issa, if you could tell everybody that's watching kind of a little bit about IZ Flooring and what you guys offer in San Diego.
Absolutely. We are a full service company for flooring. We provide an all-inclusive estimates for material, labor. We have a beautiful showroom. We buy all of our flooring factory direct. We have the best installers in town, best prices, best service, and we warranty the material and labor and everything.
Awesome. That's great. And have you, prior to working with us, have you worked with other marketing or lead gen companies? And if you have, what would you say makes our services different from those other providers out there?
Yes, I have with many too. Your company communicates. Your company, I have a human on the other end. I have someone that I can talk to, explain my needs, explain what I'm looking for, what are my market trajectories are, what's my target for this month, and have someone who will tell me, understood, let's do it. That's the
Absolutely.
biggest difference. Well, with other companies, I've had companies with a 12-month term that I've heard from them once.
Wow. And then lead flow, how would you say lead flow has been compared to the other companies versus our service?
Um, I'm feeling the difference. I'm feeling a legitimate difference in leads. I'm having, I would say, 15 to 20% increase from, especially in the last month, from before we started.
Perfect. Awesome. Yeah, and that's the goal. Get you visible and
That is the goal. Absolutely. More leads, more customers.
yes, sir. Awesome. And do you know roughly how much new business in dollars that you've quoted or closed since we started about roughly 3 months ago?
I don't have those figures, but uh, um, I really don't.
Okay. But the number of leads though that helps. So we're up 15 to 20% since we started.
Yes,
So that's
yes,
that's
with an
great.
average ticket of $6,700. So yes, absolutely, we
Awesome.
had some significant amount of leads.
Awesome. What would you say the additional revenue has done for you and your business?
Um, Most importantly, um, it has given me the power. It has given me more peace of mind to know that I can go bigger in the future. I'm actually looking for a much larger showroom now, and
Awesome.
it's due to, yeah, the peace of mind I'm having.
Great. No, that's awesome. What would you tell someone who wanted to work with us but was on the fence?
I would say um, this company is one of the few companies out there in the internet industry that would do advertising, help you do it well. They're experts in what they do. Don't hesitate. Give it to them. Make sure they do it because they're experts. And for me, someone who knows everything about flooring, I don't know everything about advertising and Google and computer and lead generation. So I need an expert to handle it. And thank you for doing that.
Absolutely. Is there anything else that you'd like to comment on or say about your experience working with us so far?
It has been awesome. I've been doing my due diligence and checking the work myself, and everything looks fantastic, my brother.
Awesome. Well, Issa, thank you
Awesome.
so much. We look forward to continue growing with you and taking over San Diego
Absolutely.
exploring.
Well, thank you so much, Chris.
All right. Take care.